It's Maiden time. BFGs. Alright guys, Sinister with the Drone Network coming at you, and this is going to be the maiden voyage of the Vaterra Ascender K5 crawler. Thanks Axiomatic. Thumbs up, brother. Thank you. And we're going to let Jack man the controls while I man the footage. Alright Jack, let's crawl. Go slow, I said. Move your wheels back and forth. Find another path. There you go. Okay, go slow now. You flipped it. Nope, nope. Okay, go slow. Too many leaves. No, you ain't gonna get up that way. Yeah, you got up over here. Okay, can you... No. Okay. Okay. Why are you trying to go up that? You flipped that last time. Nope, stop. You're going too fast on the trigger. The idea is to go slow so you can crawl over stuff. There you go. Okay, now you're going to crawl on into that stuff. Why don't you go around here and hit this log? There you go. Okay, get away from the tree now. Okay. Hang on, let me get out in front of you. Don't go over that. What are you doing?
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
This isn't just stuff anyway.
Why would you go up that? Yeah. Why would you go up that? You're not going to crawl over that. Get out of that stuff. No, get out of that stuff. There's too much loose stick. Go that way. Nope, you're not crawling that. You're not going over that either.
Fight me, children.
I guess this would be like trail riding. No, get out of that stuff. Okay, slow down. You're getting too far away. Jack, no, stop. You're too high here with the tree. Seriously? Not going? That must be the bad lipo. Alright, well guys, as you can see, oh, there it goes. Okay. You're going too fast. Crawling is a slow thing, Jack. You're going too fast. Just go. You're going too fast.
No, it's stuck in there.
You probably got it wrapped around the drive shaft. Nope.
Hold that.
It's thorns, Jack.
Out in the world. Oh, I see.
Yeah. Alright. No. You're cheating. Leave it there on the ground. Crawling is a slow thing. You're trying to drive it like your Redcat. There you go. Nope, don't do that. I can't even keep it in frame because I'm trying to watch you. Battery going dead?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, get off of that stuff. Jack, get off of that. What are you doing?
I know.
You're going to flip it. Maybe not. All right. Stop. Stop. You're not climbing that. You're not. Nope. You're not climbing that. If you got to grab it to move it, that's cheating. You're not climbing that. I told you.
That's why I'm going up it.
You're not going to be able to do it.
I could have done that.
You might have been all right if there weren't so many leaves, but no. That way. Go down and out. No. Jack. Nope.
Take on that.
I tried to tell you that. No. Okay. Go down and out. Find your exit point over there.
Can I take it fast on my
Nope.
exit point?
Nope. Stop. Stop. Come right through here and right down here. Let me get down here. Stop. Yeah, get away from the thorns. Slow going.
It's playtime.
No. Come out of this stuff. You're not climbing that one. Come on. There you go. And now you're going to get stuck. No. No, you don't got an idea. You stop.
That was my idea right there.
No.
Yeah, it's a picture of me.
Yeah, pick it up and get it out of this stuff. I don't want it all scratched up.
Taking me cruising. Why is it tilting like that?
Okay. Come on down in here.
Right here.
Stop. You're not going up that. Jack. Nope.
Maybe I can try volume.
All right.
Hold on, I gotta put one thing.
No, no, no. You're not going through that.
No, I'm going down now.
Okay. Hang on.
Gotta get a little further.
Alright guys, we're going to cut the video. It's getting really long. For those of you who stuck in this long, I got a lot of work to do with him. He's got to understand the cops like to going slow. So anyhow, thanks for watching. This has been the maiden voyage of the Vaterra Ascender K5. Well, I took the wheels from Jack, and I've been running this thing for about 10 minutes. I like it. I really like it. Got her dirty. Yeah.
Jen said.
Here, you want to follow me over to the rock with the brick pile?
Okay.
Try to keep it steady and keep your hand, no, keep your hand off the lens. All right, going.
Stop.
Yeah. Get on this side. Okay.
Jen said. Stuff's cool. No, Nathan's is. I want to see what it looks like. Is this going to Nathan?
No. Jack, can you
What do you want me to do?
leave it alone? Here.
Try to make it. Try to climb that and then get up that. Come on. I was moving it back. I put it there. No, put that back. Assist.
Can you back up, please?
It's not gonna flip.
I didn't ask you for help. Thank you. I've watched tons of videos of people crawling. I picked up a thing or two. On the truck.
Stop, 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 so I can end it. Stop so I can end it.